right. Hi guys, it's Mindy Hegstrom here. I'm here at an undisclosed location and I'm going to show you how to clean. Okay folks, we're going to clean this in less than 20 minutes. Let's start the clock. The first thing we need to do, turn off the power switch. All right, first of all, you got to start with your work gloves. Oh, and by the way, don't add any new wood to your furnace until after cleaning. Just makes it easier. Also, keep in mind, I would recommend wait to take your daily shower until after you clean the furnace. All right, got our gloves on, my fancy work sweater, and of course my high-heeled work boots. Step number 1, remove the top door. This is how your furnace should look after a couple weeks of normal operation. The next step is removing that catalyst. Make sure you have thick gloves for this part because it's going to be very hot. This is what you should see, dry powdery ash. If you haven't been cleaning properly or your water jacket has been operating at a temperature below 140 degrees, you will not see dry powdery ash. You will see black, nasty creosote. Remember, if you operate your furnace at temperatures below 140 degrees, these tubes will fill quickly with creosote and your furnace will not function properly. Make sure you clean out your furnace very well so that air can flow through these tubes properly. Okay, next step, we are going to brush out the ash. Now we're going to clean the vertical tubes, which are these tubes right here, with this brush. Make sure the brush goes all the way down. Just like that. Now we're going to clean those horizontal tubes. We're going to make it very simple by using a shop vac. So we are going to start with the tubes on the left because they have more ash in them. Make sure the nozzle on your shop vac hose is small enough to fit inside those tubes. As we vacuum, listen to the sound of the hose. As you can really tell, it's getting all that ash. Now we're going to do the ones on the right side. For those of you that have curved tubes, this is an optional step to get your tubes really clean if you suspect that they have an excessive buildup. Purchase a 4.5-foot piece of 3/8" cable, like this, and a 30" pipe nipple, just like that. You're going to want to thread it through as I have and attach the other end of the cable to a power drill. So I'm about to show you the next step, but before I do, you need to make sure that your drill is on reverse. If it is not on reverse, it will unwind the steel cable. Now you are going to insert the cable that's inside this pipe nipple in that tube. Make sure you push in the cable as far as it can go. See how close I got it? Then you might want to hold on to the pipe right here. You clean it out. You're going to want to do this for each and every tube. Every 2 to 3 tubes, you're going to want to check the end of the cable because the end of the cable is going to become a tad bit frayed. But don't fret, because the more frayed it becomes, the better it's going to clean out those tubes. And then the next step, I'm going to show you how to use a shop vac to pick up all that ash we just got out. Now we're going to vacuum the catalyst. This is your catalyst, and this is how your catalyst should look. Now we're going to put the catalyst and the deflector back in place. Now for the last step, we're going to put the door back on, and we're done.
Booyah!